YouTube, what it do, baby? Thank you for tuning in to the Homeimprovement TV. It's your boy Double R once again bringing you another video. And today, what I'm gonna show y'all today is, so me and my wife just purchased a home. Appreciate y'all. Let me know down in the comment section. So we've made a lot of changes since moving into our house. And as of this is one of the latest changes that we done, and I wanted to show y'all, you know what I'm saying, show y'all what it looked like. So me and my wife been talking for a while that we wanted to change what our garden and our plants look like in the front yard, especially since the past season all our plants and stuff died. Grass is looking bad, all that. So boom, I'm gonna show you videos of before, and then I'm gonna show you the after. And today, right now, it's about 7 o'clock, March the 27th, and I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. And we're gonna start with the before footage, and then you're gonna see today's footage. And again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Appreciate y'all for watching. All right, so at the beginning of the video, as you can see, this is what everything looked like before we went and got the things to make the changes that we want to. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video, tap that bell notification. But this is what it looked like before the plants died. The ones that survived, we kept them in the ground. The ones that died, I replaced them. All right, and this is what the backyard looked like. So again, like I mentioned, our plants that were here already died. So of course we got new plants to replace these and make it look more vibrant, you know, more like we want it. So obviously I ended up having to clean everything out. I basically trimmed up the hedge a little bit, cut some of the dead branches from the palm tree. I did that to both sides. So like I said, I dug up all of the dead stuff, clipped the old branches, and, you know, try to line it up, make it look good as possible, and get it ready for the new growth. And this is after I got everything out, just showing you what it looked like with all the other stuff gone.
H-Town, I love it, man. We get money and you know we getting money. Southside still holding, man.
South Sea of Philia, South Sea of Philia.
All right, so as of right now, today, like I mentioned to you, this is what the yard is looking like now. And as you saw the before pictures, and I'm gonna just talk to you about what was going on. Of course, we changed this light. I'm gonna show you the daytime view, and you're gonna see the nighttime view, so stick around for the daytime view. So we changed this little hedge, and we got a couple of lights around it, so you gotta see what it looked like once the lights go out. And then the places of the parts of the grass that's like thin, I've already put down grass seeds to try to help grow the grass in these spots. So y'all gotta come back and stay posted, stay tuned in. So, and right here, some of the grass is already starting to grow, so I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this side as well. All right, so this is this side of the yard. And what I did also while changing the stuff was, you know, treat the grass. So as you can see, we got the different brick, got a couple of lights. We waiting on lights. That'll be probably like the last addition that we make. So we put white brick all around to the front walk up. All right, both sides. We got some better lights coming, and then all the plants you see right here, we planted also. And so, as you can see, before we didn't have no bricks around the front tree. I filled it up with mulch, bricked it out. I also bricked out the other side as well, filled it up with mulch, and we got lights in these as well. So like I said, at night, you're gonna get an opportunity to see what it looks like at night. So all of these plants, everything died in here at first. So we ended up, I ended up taking everything out and replanting all of the plants that you see here. So give you a better view of the brick. And from, from the first look, what it looked like, I did all of this by myself, front end, backyard. And we just gonna have to, like I said, y'all stay tuned, subscribe so you can see the update. And this right here is gonna be an orange tree. So one of the things that I wanna keep y'all updated on is that we got a lot of fruits that we growing. So you're gonna have to come back to check on them. So this is our orange tree as of today. All right, and we got different colorful bushes in, all right? And this is the front view in the daytime, all right? All right, boom, so here we go. So remember what it looked like at first. So started over here, we had the one little palm tree. We got that one, now we got a Mediterranean palm added right here. I'm gonna give y'all a better view. We got some tiki man on the back of the pool area, as you can see. And then we got another Mediterranean palm and a day palm. Day palm. All right. So boom, that's what we did. That's what we changed it to. So that's the back part. All right, so we in full-time night mode. We actually, like I said, one of the additions on the house, we actually got the lights installed. So as you can see, look at way different at night. So like, all right, here we go again with a little light behind us. You can see everything looks so awesome, sequenced, put together, colorful, lit. You can see it all. All right, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And of course, tap that bell notification so you can get an update on what our garden look like as the season continue. Once again, it's your boy Double Law for the Hog Gator TV. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I'm out.